Very good morning, students. Very good morning, students. In this class, we are going to discuss like types of energy and planning of energy and some policies. Okay. In previous class, we have discussed how the energy is classified based on some criterias. Then we have discussed some commercial, non-commercial, and renewable energy, non-renewable energy, conventional and non-conventional, and energy consumption and standards of living. And then we have discussed the present scenario of the world and in India and about India. So some electrical energy generation mixers in 2021 to 22 year and 2026 to 27. So then utilization of energies in environment, then impact of energy, renewable energy generation on environment, then cost, if we means economical cost, means economy of these electrical generation production. So now in this class, we are going to discuss about types of energies. Basically, energy can be classified into two types. They are potential and kinetic energy. Potential energy is stored energy, and the energy of position, that is gravitational. It exists in various forms. Then coming to kinetic energy, it is a motion, it is a energy in motion, the motion of waves, electrons, atoms, molecules, and substance which exist in different forms or various forms. Then coming to various forms of energies. So here, chemical energy, nuclear energy, storage, mechanical energy, gravitational energy, radiant energy, thermal energy, electrical energy, motion, sound, light energies. So coming to chemical energy is energy storage in a bands of atoms and molecules. Biomass, petroleum, nuclear gas, and coal are example for storage of chemical energies. Coming to nuclear energy, it is a energy stored in nucleus of an atom and energy that holds the nucleus together. So the nucleus of uranium atom is an example for nuclear energy. So here mechanical energy, stored mechanical energy, it means the energy stored in object by application of an force. Means it the spring and stretched rubber is a best example for this stored mechanical energy. So coming to gravitational energy is an example of place or position. The water in a reservoir behind the hydropower dam is an example for this gravitational energy. When the water is released to spin turbines, it become rotational energies. So coming to radiant energy, it is a electromagnetic energy that travels in some waves that travels in some waves. Then radiant energy includes visible light, X-rays, gamma rays, and radio waves. And solar energy is an example for these radiant energy. So thermal energy or a heat, It is a internal energy in substance and the vibration and the momentum of atoms and the molecules within the substances. Geothermal energy is a best example for this thermal energy. So coming to electrical energy, it is an movement of electrons. Lightning and electricity are the example for these electrical energies. Motion, the momentum of objects or a substances from one place to another is a motion. Wind and the hydropower are the example for these motion, for this motion energy. And coming to sound energy, sound is a momentum of energy through substance in longitude waves. So coming to next one, light energy. Light energy is a type of wave motion. That is, light is a form of energy caused by light wave. It enhances us to see an objective or only visible when they reflects light into our eyes. Okay. Next one is, it is a means already we have discussed in this slide, like what are the advantages and disadvantages, but I didn't mention advantages and disadvantages word. So here there are some advantages of energy sources. Fossil fuels, they provide a large amount of thermal energy per unit of mass. It is easy to get and easy to transport. It can be used to generate electrical energy and make products such as plastic. So here fossil fuels disadvantages are, it is a non-renewable energy and burning product forms smoke, and burning coal releases substances that causes acid precipitate and risk of oil spills. So here nuclear, these are common things you can easily understood. So I'm going to next slide. I will share this PPT with you after completion of first unit. Okay. Now coming to energy planning. So what is, why should we plan this energy means? So there are some objectives: analyzing of role of nation and local government, communities, and individuals in energy plannings. So we what is this energy planning means? um, Energy planning means, energy planning is a process that should be saved for future generation. Okay. So designing uh, means, why should we plan this one means, it offers number of opportunities and tools for nation and communities to deal with energy issues related to development. Energy planning is not one time exercise, but it is continuous process in which the result are continuously revised and new information leads to a new analysis. This energy planning is an extremely relevant. ఒక్క నిమిషం మా. Sorry for disturbance, call వచ్చింది. So where we are, this energy planning is an extreme. Uh, Hello.
హలో మ్యామ్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మ్యామ్.
చెప్పమా.
మ్యామ్, మా హాస్టల్లో కరెంట్ లేదు, 2% ఉంది మ్యామ్ ఛార్జింగ్ ఫోన్లో. కాల్
ఓకే.
కట్ అవుతుంది.
వేరే వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారా మీ బ్రాంచ్ వాళ్ళు?
మేము బయట హాస్టల్లో ఉన్నాము, ఎవరు లేరు.
అయ్యో, సరే. నీ రోల్ నంబరు అక్కడ టైప్ చేసేసి.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
హలో, నీకు నేను వీడియో రికార్డ్ చేస్తున్నాను, కావాలంటే నేను ఇస్తాను నీకు. ఓకే,
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
తర్వాత అయినా వినొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఓకే మ్యామ్. The energy planning is extremely relevant for developing countries as it is used to overcome limitations that inhibit suspended energy strategies. These limitations may arise from number of factors. Factors are the limited factors such as the limited trained human and financial and in some case natural resources available to developing countries for addressing energy problems, the complex relationship between need to provide better energy services and need to limit total energy consumption, and the lack of technologies known how they are merging environmental problem and associated with energy production and how it is using. These energy planning helps in creating a picture of current energy situation and the estimated future exchange based on expected or likely to be planned and pattern of population growth, resource availabilities, industrialization, these agriculture energy requirement, and etc. The current approach to energy planning aim is to producing energy services to a society at lowest cost within the least negative population and environment impact. For example, instead of demanding more electricity or more petrol, we should look at issue of providing services like lighting, heating, cooling, running missions and applicants, mobility and comforts, etc. So here, so next one, energy policy and planning. Means first we should ask ourselves like how can these services be provided in cheapest and most efficient way, meeting all society, means meeting all social, environment and financial costs. So here, how means, so we should aim like aim and benefits of energy plannings. Means aim means here the broad aim of micro level energy plannings, or means setting the goals, setting the energy goals means to provide the basis for a policy framework and to assess state agency and other energy related organization in setting the energy plan or goal and making the energy decision that contributes to grow economical in a sustainable and environment sound manners. To help, and second one, to help in finding and locating the resources for the meeting of specific energy requirement demands of all sectors in optimal manner. These includes minimization of total cost of energy, minimization of local non-local resources, and maximization of overall service efficiency, means overall system efficiency. third one, to increase the use of design and the features that improve energy performance and enhance the quality of life. And next one, to develop impact and complete resources use pattern, so that to increase the availability of alternatives. Next one, to promote the development of use of new a new high efficiency and cleaner supply options. Next one, to promote the use of energy efficiency technologies or service obtained in infrastructure, and to increase the production of uh, energy for local or regional distributor facilities. So, coming to these, ఒక్క నిమిషమా.